We walk through the world trusting our senses to tell us the truth, but human perception is narrow. We see and experience only a tiny fraction of the physical universe, leaving us to rely on a localized, often inaccurate sense of normal. This chart maps the physical states of water across different pressures and temperatures. Look at this exact intersection. Under these specific pressure conditions, known as the triple point, water exists as a solid, a liquid, and a gas all at the same time. It boils and freezes simultaneously. Biology is equally counterintuitive. Botanists classify fruits based strictly on how they develop from a flower. Because of these structural criteria, a banana is officially categorized as a berry, while a strawberry is excluded from the group. What we consider to be straightforward logic fails when we look closer. Our daily intuition is unequipped to understand the mechanics of time, matter, and life. A typical human lifespan spans roughly 8 decades. Because our internal clocks are calibrated to this brief window, it is difficult for us to process evolutionary or planetary timelines. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for more than 400 million years. The earliest trees appeared roughly 350 million years ago. This marine predator was already patrolling the seas tens of millions of years before forests existed on land. This model tracks planetary rotation. Notice the slow movement on its axis. It takes Venus roughly 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation, but its entire solar orbit is only 225 Earth days. On this planet, a day lasts longer than its year. The 24-hour cycle we rely on is a strictly local phenomenon. It offers no preparation for the extreme timelines governing the rest of the solar system. Just as our sense of time is easily warped, our eyes can deceive us when evaluating mass. Objects that appear delicate often possess massive physical density. An average cumulus cloud looks like a weightless puff of cotton. In reality, it holds hundreds of thousands of kilograms of water. The mass remains suspended only because that water is dispersed into microscopic droplets supported by rising air currents. While massive density hides in plain sight above us, extreme energy acts with violent speed. A single bolt of lightning briefly reaches temperatures of around 30,000 degrees Celsius. That makes this electrical discharge roughly 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. That same level of thermal energy exists directly beneath our feet. Scientists estimate the Earth's solid inner core burns at up to 6,000 degrees Celsius, matching solar surface temperatures right here inside our own planet. Whether we are looking up at an overcast sky or standing on solid ground, we are surrounded by massive physical forces operating outside our normal range of perception. This deception extends into the biological structures of life on Earth. The natural world is engineered in ways that often defy standard mammalian logic. Certain species of frogs survive extreme winters by allowing their entire bodies to freeze solid. Their hearts stop beating completely. As spring temperatures rise, they thaw out, restart their cardiovascular functions, and continue living as if nothing happened. Aquatic adaptations are equally strange. By slowing its heart rate, a tree-dwelling sloth can hold its breath for roughly 40 minutes underwater, allowing it to outlast many marine dolphins. Moving deeper into the ocean, the vascular engineering becomes more complex. An octopus requires 3 distinct hearts. 2 are dedicated to pumping blood to the gills to absorb oxygen, while the third circulates that oxygen-rich blood through the rest of its body. This chart compares genetic baseline structures across different organisms. Because all living things utilize common biological building blocks, humans share roughly 60% of their cellular DNA with a banana. Biological evolution does not follow a neat, intuitive hierarchy. It is a deeply interconnected web of extreme physical adaptations. We tend to view these extreme facts as trivia happening outside of us, but our own physical biology is directly connected to the history of the universe. The atmosphere of this planet acts as a closed-loop system. Because air constantly mixes globally over thousands of years, every breath you take contains molecules that were once inhaled by ancient civilizations and prehistoric animals. Our connection to history goes far beyond Earth. The elements required to build a human body, the carbon in your cells and iron in your blood, were forged under extreme pressure inside stars. When those stars exhausted their fuel, they collapsed and exploded as supernovae. This mechanism scattered those building blocks across the galaxy, eventually coalescing to form our solar system. The chemical elements within our bodies, from the iron in our blood to the calcium in our bones, are the physical remnants of these stellar events. Every atom in our biological makeup was forged in a star before becoming part of us. There are always more layers of reality waiting to be uncovered. If you want to keep exploring the physical anomalies of our universe, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next investigation.